Diamond Crystal and Molecular Structure Visualization. Diamond is our outstanding molecular and crystal structure visualization software. It integrates a multitude of functions, which overcome the work with crystal structure data, in research and education, as well as for publications and presentations. Diamond has been providing valuable services for a long time. In July 2025, it will be 30 years since the first version was released. Diamond does not only draw nice pictures of molecular and crystal structures like most of its competitive programs do, it offers an extensive set of functions that let you easily model any arbitrary portion of a crystal structure from a basic set of structural parameters, cell, space group, atomic positions. With its high data capacity, its wide range of functions beginning with the generation of molecules reaching up to the construction of rather complicated inorganic structural frameworks, Diamond is a comprehensive tool for both molecular and solid-state chemists, as well as for surface and material scientists. Cheerchain Enterprise distributes and sells software with the aim of offering clients guidance when choosing software, as well as technical support.